Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the hard disk of your computer HP 450G. So first we will need a screwdriver or the appropriate screwdriver for your computer, and also this little plastic support to allow you to open your computer. I will not give you the exact size and the type of the screwdriver. I will invite you to try to find out the appropriate one. And the next thing which we will do, you will turn your computer and we will open it from the back side. Don't try to force, and for opening you turn from right to left, and we will use this little plastic support for pushing up the support. If it doesn't open with you easily, no need to force, just try a different way to not break anything. So we'll just keep opening slowly. And once done, you will just need to remove the back cover, and we will press on the right and left side of the hard disk, and we will push down to remove the hard disk or to take it out from its SATA connector. Once you have removed the hard disk, you can plug the new hard disk. Please note that you have multiple ways and options. You can either plug the classical hard disk or an SSD, and you can also plug an SSD which comes in an adapter like the classical hard disk or the new SSDs which are very small. To plug it, the new SSD, just put it in, press, and you will need to use the screwdriver, and you will need to put the little screw in, and you need to close it so that it doesn't move and also that it functions properly. If you are maybe questioning yourself if you can dual boot, yes, you can put back the hard disk and the SSD, and you can also run your computer on 2 SSDs. Once done, you will need to close your computer, but before you close it, I will invite you to turn on your computer and to see if it's working. If everything is working fine with you, then you can go ahead and close your computer. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always just put us a comment or leave us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.